Hi, this is Brett with Monarch Capital Home Loans, and today we just want to talk real quick about understanding the loan process. What we really want you to experience with us is to be able to keep calm and understand. Unfortunately, this is not the easiest process. We're extremely regulated industry these days, but we're doing our best to keep it as easy as possible. But the thing that you have to keep in mind is that because we are so regulated, there's a lot of documentation that we will need from you. And it's not because we necessarily want to see it. And frankly, a lot of times it sort of defies common sense for some of the things we ask for. Things like, the blank page of your bank statement, page 5, which is meaningless, but the regulators want us to collect it from you for some reason. So just be aware that throughout this process, we are going to be asking for quite a bit of documentation. Some of it's going to defy common sense, but it's just by virtue of the fact of the business we're in these days. Also understand that from a lending standpoint, you're being evaluated based on 3 things. Number 1 is your credit score, your raw credit, how well you've handled credit in the past, other loans, and so forth. Also is your capacity. A lot of this really is directly tied to your job or your retirement income, but it really comes down to your ability to pay the loan. And lenders are keenly interested in your incoming cash flow or just your cash position in order to pay the loan, not just your collateral. However, the collateral is the third thing, and as I think everyone has discovered over the past few years, that has become a much trickier issue. And we have another video on appraisals talking about how that works these days. But these are the 3 C's that you're being evaluated on, and typically what the documentation is covering. Be aware that there are a lot of cooks in the kitchen. There's the agent, there's the processor, there's a title rep, there's an underwriter, there's a funder, there's a doc drawer, there may be a realtor, there may be 2 realtors, there may be escrow people. There's a lot of people doing a lot of things, and so we'll do our best to try to consolidate that communication, but don't be surprised when you get communication from other parties, and frankly that different parties may ask for different kinds of documents. That's just part of what's going on here. And finally, as you're probably aware, time is a factor, especially if we've locked your loan. A lock is a guarantee that we're going to perform based on a bond position that we've purchased in the market to hedge against volatility on your behalf. So we are going to try to execute this as fast as we can, but a lot of it is contingent on your ability to get us everything we need in a timely fashion. We look forward to working with you and look forward to a great process that helps you and your family. Take care. Bye-bye.